Hello friends, good afternoon. Hope you are doing well. Today we will learn French with Amit Motwani में sounds. We learn sounds and use of sounds in French words. So we will start. We will start with first sound OU means oo. OU oo. The use of oo we can use in the word us in French, nous, N-O-U-S. We spell as N-O-U-S. So O-U we are using here, N-O-U-S. We say nous, S is silent, N-O-U-S, nous. In English we can say us. So meaning of us in French is nous. Same example, do. D-O-U-X. So here X is silent. Do. D-O-U-X. So use of O-U, U. Here we are using like do. Means sweet. So in English we can say sweet, but in French we say do. D-O-U-X. The next sound is it's okay. You understand? U. Meaning of u, use of u in nous and do. For examples, I took only two words. And next sound is u, E-U-X, u. So we use it in they, D-E-U-X. X also is silent here, D-E-U-X means two. So two, one, two. Two in French we say they, D-E-U-X, deux. So this is also clear. If any doubt you can message me. Third sound is O, E-A-U, we say O. A-U-X also we say O. Both alphabets are different but pronunciation is same, O. So we use E-A-U like bow, B-E-A-U. So here E-A-U we are using in bow. Bow means handsome. In English we say handsome. So Vishal is handsome, for example. So we will say Vishal a bow, B-E-A-U, bow. Same A-U-X we use in foe, F-A-U-X. Foe, X is silent, means false. So foe, F-A-U-X, foe, false. So third sound is OA, O-I. O-I we use in trois, T-R-O-I-S. S is silent, trois. Trois means three. In French, trois. In English, three, and in French we say trois. Like M-O-I, moi. Moi means me. Moi. M-O-I. And third example is voir. V-O-I-R. Voir normally it's a verb. We will learn verb voir and use of verb later also. Here we are giving the example of over, voir, means to see. Next sound is tr, tr, T-R-E, tr. We use it in quatre. Quatre means four. In English we say four, in French we say quatre. Next sound is br, B-R-E, br. We use it in chambre, chambre, C-H-A-M-B-R-E, chambre. Chambre means room. Chambre. See, you can repeat with me, chambre, C-H-A-M-B-R-E. It's okay till here. So we already learned U, A, O, ova, tr and br. So sound O, U, A, O, ova, tr and br. Next sound is sh, ch, sh. We use sh, shakan. Shakan, we spell C-H-A-C-U-N, shakan. Shakan means each. In English we say each, but in French we say chacun. Same sha, C-H-A-T. So sha, at. Sha means cat. In English we say cat. In French we say chat, C-H-A-T. In English we confused as chat because spelling of chat also like this, C-H-A-T, chat. But in French it's sha. Sha means cat. Next sound is an. We can spell U-N-N, U-M-N, I-N-N, I-M-N. And these all are we can use in different words. For example, UN, means one. Parfum, parfum we use UM, parfum, P-A-R-F-U-M. Parfum means perfume. Here we are using AI, pen. I-N we using I-N, P-A-I-N, pen. Pen means bread. In English we say bread, but in French we call bread pen. So next sound is bleu, B-L-E, bleu. We use it in impossible. In French, impossible. In English, impossible. And possible. In French, possible. In English, possible. So next sound is A. E-R and E-Z. Here R is silent and here Z is silent. So E-R, A, E-Z, A. E-R we are using, for example, arrive. A-R-R-I-V-E-R, arrive. The verb to arrive, arrive. And E-Z we are using, for example, ne. N-E-Z, ne. Ne means nose. In English we say nose, in French we say ne. The next sound is sir. C-E, we can read sir in French. We are using it in place, P-L-A-C-E, place. In English we say place, but in French we say place. Next sound is C. C-I-C. C means, C we use in merci. M-E-R-C-I. Merci. Merci means thank you. In English as we say thank you, and in French we use merci. The last sound is J. G-E. G-E-J. We use it in plage. P-L-A-G-E. Plage. In English, meaning is beach. Beach, we say in French, plage. Hope it's clear. If any confusion you have, you can ask me, you can text me, and you can message me for the explanation for that. Thank you so much.